Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to describe one fixture, how we can practice English, how we can learn English by describing a fixture, how to use daily English from a fixture. Stay tuned until finish the video. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's get started. We can see there is a road. I'm zooming in on the picture to get a closer view. We can see there is a road. The road is really wide and large, and the road looks newly paved, very smooth and clean, and two pedestrians are carefully crossing the road, both of them carrying handbags. Then there are several vehicles, Rickshaw, motorcycle, truck, CNG are slowly moving. If I zoom a little bit, then we will see on both sides of the road there are big trees. The trees made the place really beautiful, and they are looking really greenery because it is monsoon season. After the rain, we know that the trees have started to look really fresh and green, but the leaves of the trees are quite small. I don't know, I cannot exactly tell you what kind of trees they are. I'm not sure about it. Then if we back from the trees, then if we look on the road again, on the right of the road there is a side road. Close to the side road there is a electric pole. The electric pole, if I zoom in, then we will see two posters have been pasted on the pole, on the electric pole. Then if we go a bit up, then we can see there are several bundles of wire are hanging on the pole. Then if we go top of the electric pole, then there are several varieties of electric wire connected one electric pole to another. And next to the electric pole there are several cars have been parked, and a little amount of water is accumulated here. I think there was rain. When I took photos I didn't notice. Before taking photos I think there was rain. And next to the electric pole and close to the side road there is one person is standing on the ground. I think he's scrolling his mobile, and next to him there is a building. We have to compute how many floors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the building is a fourth story building. Ground floor and second floor are shops. Probably they are shops. Then third floor, the sign not clearly visible, that's why I cannot exactly tell you is it a business hub or commerce center. But fourth floor, the sign is clearly visible, Sanai Community Center. It means it is a community center who doesn't have enough space at home, then they can hire such kind of community center to rent a wedding, right? And it calls community center. Then take a look top of the building. I think it is a mobile tower. It is a mobile tower. Okay, I gotta finish my video for today. If you really enjoy my video, then please like, subscribe and share to get more videos.